In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PenFed account. We'll start on the PenFed website, right on the Create Account page. The first thing you'll do is run the eligibility check. PenFed membership is open to individuals who meet specific criteria. This includes categories such as active or retired military personnel, among others. If you don't meet those criteria, don't worry. The site explains alternative paths to join, like becoming a member of an eligible organization, and it will guide you through those options. Next, choose the type of account you want to open. PenFed offers several choices, and the site provides a quick overview to help you decide. The regular savings account is the simplest way to establish membership and only requires a minimum deposit of $5. If you're looking for a higher yield, the premium online savings account also starts with a $5 minimum, but typically offers a more competitive rate. Pick the option that best fits your goals. Before you begin the application, gather the documents you'll need. Have your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number ready. Make sure you have a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license. You'll also want proof of address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement. If you plan to add a joint owner or a beneficiary, have their information available as well. Having these items on hand helps you complete the process without delays. Now you're ready to complete the application. If you decided on premium online savings, visit that product page, select Open Now, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll enter your personal details as requested and provide your funding information to make your initial deposit. When it's time to fund your account, you have multiple options. You can move money via an electronic funds transfer from another bank, use mobile check deposit in the PenFed mobile app, transfer internally from an existing PenFed account, or make a cash or check deposit at a PenFed branch or eligible ATM. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you and confirm the minimum deposit is met. Once your account is open, you can access and manage it through PenFed online banking in your browser or with the PenFed mobile app on your phone. From there, you'll be able to view balances, move money, and monitor activity anytime. That's the full process from eligibility to funding and access. Follow along step by step, have your documents ready, and you'll have your PenFed account set up in just a few minutes.